Maintenance of clutch. Fluid tank. Fluid tank is located at the middle of the dashboard. Change hydraulic fluid every other year. DOT4. The fluid level should be no less than 2/3 of the total volume and should be filled if necessary, without leakage. Pipe joint should have no leakage. Change and filling of hydraulic fluid. After oil being changed, bleed the clutch hydraulic pipeline and adjust in a systematic way. The bleeding method is as follows. 1. First of all, top up the hydraulic fluid in clutch oil tank. 2. Take off the dust cap of the bleeding bolt on clutch booster. Loosen the bolt. Connect the bolt with one end of a plastic pipe with the same diameter as the nipple, and insert the other end into the bottle containing hydraulic fluid. 3. Depress and release the clutch pedal for several times until some bubbles go out of the bottle, during which the synthetic hydraulic fluid must be added continuously into the fluid tank so as to guarantee fluid sufficiency and prevent air entry again. 4. After no bubble goes out and the pedal pressure boots up, tighten the bolt and then remove the pipe. Operation mechanism. All operation mechanisms are connected reliably and locked firmly. Return springs are in good condition. Clutch pedal. Clutch pedal switch is fixed firmly and wire harness is connected reliably. The switch works normally. Adjust the free stroke of clutch pedal 20 to 30 mm for fork type and 5 to 6 mm for integral type. Pedal height 145 plus or minus 10 mm. Pedal ground clearance above 25 mm. Total pedal stroke below 200 mm. Clutch master cylinder. Adjustment of clutch master cylinder. Adjust the clearance between clutch master cylinder's push rod and piston into 0.5 to 1.0 mm. When adjusting it, loosen the lock nut. Rotate the push rod towards the piston. Draw back 1/3 to 2/3 thread after the push rod contacts the piston, and then tighten the lock nut. Clutch booster. Adjustment of clutch booster. Adjust the idle stroke of clutch booster's push rod, usually 3 to 5 mm, so as to guarantee 2 to 3 mm clearance between release bearing and separator, and then tighten the lock nut of booster's push rod. For ZF self-adjusting separation mechanism, it is unnecessary to adjust the booster. Clearance inspection of separator and release bearing. Open the inspection cover, check and lubricate clutch release bearing, and check for the wearing of friction lining. The clearance between clutch separator highest point and the release bearing end should be kept within 3 plus or minus 1 mm. Fill with number 2 general lithium base grease by the nipple.